Creating a compelling CV for securing an overseas scholarship involves highlighting your academic achievements, relevant experiences, and skills in a clear and structured manner. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you craft the perfect CV for scholarship applications. Contact information, full name, address, phone number with international code, professional email, and optional LinkedIn profile. Personal statement/objective. Summarize your career goals, academic interests, and reasons for applying for the scholarship in 2 to 3 sentences. Educational background. List degrees in reverse chronological order with institution names, locations, dates, GPA if impressive, and relevant coursework. Research experience. Detail your roles, responsibilities, and achievements in research positions. Publications and presentations include any research papers, articles, or conference presentations. Work experience. Highlight relevant job titles, organizations, locations, dates, and key responsibilities. Skills. List technical skills, e.g., GIS software, programming languages, and soft skills, e.g., communication, teamwork. Awards and honors. Mention any awards, the awarding organization, and dates. Certifications and training. List certifications, issuing organizations, and dates. Extracurricular activities and volunteer work. Describe your roles, contributions, and impact in activities outside academics. References. Include 2 to 3 academic or professional references with their contact information. Additional tips. Tailor your CV for each scholarship application, emphasizing relevant experiences and skills. Keep it concise, aiming for 1 to 2 pages. Use a professional format with bullet points for clarity. Proofread to avoid errors and consider having a mentor review it. Quantify achievements where possible to demonstrate impact. By following these guidelines, you can create a strong CV that enhances your chances of securing an overseas scholarship.